Break free from mortgage debt. Sarah and James refinanced their home with a first-lien HELOC, which let them use the line of credit to pay off their mortgage completely. Fact: HELOCs can be used to purchase, refinance, or rent a personal residence. Next, they started depositing their paychecks directly into the HELOC, treating it like a checking account. They paid bills as needed, but everything they didn't spend stayed in the HELOC, lowering the balance and cutting down interest every single day. Fact: HELOCs allow you to deposit and withdraw like a bank account, giving you 100% income utilization. This is where the magic happens. Their unused money sat in the HELOC, instantly reducing the balance, which means less interest was charged daily. Even after they paid off the HELOC balance, the credit line remained open. Now they have easy access to their home equity without having to refinance again. Fact: HELOCs can remain open or be renewed even after the balance is paid off. Instead of 25 more years of mortgage payments, Sarah and James are on pace to be debt-free in under 10, all because they used their income smarter, not harder. They didn't make more money. They just used all of it, every dollar, to work against their debt every day. Lessons learned. A first-lien HELOC is more than a loan. It's a financial tool. Used wisely, it turns your income into a debt-destroying engine.